we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa. When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know sticky, but they are guilty and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, oh, almost kidding. I lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do.
So this is Luvme Hair's Ombre Highlight Silky Straight Glueless Ear-to-Ear Lace Bob Wig. That's a lot. But nonetheless, this wig is fire. Like, it is giving everything it's supposed to give. From the highlights to the bob cut to the 13x4 glueless. Like, this thing is glue. I can take it off and y'all can't even tell it's a 13x4 glueless wig. That is insane. Like, it's very rare that you can find a glueless 13x4 wig that is really glueless and it's staying down. Now, I like this wig. For one, I didn't have to do no extra work. No bleaching, no plucking, no cutting, no none of that. The only thing that I had to cut was my lace. And if you are a beginner, I would suggest that you opt to get the pre-cut option if they have that available. Make sure you get it pre-cut because it is a little difficult to kind of measure around your ear when you're trying to cut it out around your ear. So get it pre-cut if you're a beginner. If you are not and you just want to be a lazy girl like me, make sure you get it pre-cut. I wish I would have got this one pre-cut. My next bob wig that's glueless or 13x4 that's glueless, I'm probably gonna opt to get it pre-cut. But nonetheless, I do really like this wig because this is a good everyday wig. No matter what you're doing, this is a good everyday wig to put on to go to any function that you like. This wig is definitely super duper silky. The body of it is insane. It might seem like it's a little thin, but it is not. Like, straight out of the box, it's not thin, it's smooth, it's everything. When you get it out of the box, you may have to go ahead and straighten it out a little bit because we know everything that's squished up is gonna have a little bend or a fold in it. Just keep that in mind when you get it. Those are all my pros. Now, I do have a con, and the only reason I have this con is because a lot of people ask me about this a lot of times when I'm doing videos on wigs and I never really speak on it. But the flyaways, it does have flyaways, but that is not something that is out of the ordinary for a wig. You have to keep in mind that these people are tying these wigs, these knots in knots. So sometimes you may get somewhere it's a little shorter or whatever, but for a bleached colored wig, you're gonna get some flyaways around the front, maybe at the top. That's gonna happen. It's just a given. No wig is going to be perfect. I wish people really just get out of this delusion that they're gonna get a wig that's perfect. It's just like your normal hair. Your regular hair isn't perfect. Your wig isn't gonna be perfect. It can be perfect. Like, this wig is perfect for me. This wig is perfect to me. But to somebody else, flyaways may be a I can't do that. For my ones that do have a problem with flyaways, the quickest solution to lay your flyaways down is a lay your flyaways down is a wax stick, a wax spray, or some mousse or something, some wrap mousse or something. That is 3 good ways that you can lay your flyaways down. But other than that, this wig is definitely perfect. This is a 10-inch. So for my girlies, I'm not tall at all. I'm about 5'3", 5'4", and this is where it comes for. Make sure you guys go get this wig. Do not hesitate. Go get it. Perfect for the summertime, perfect for vacation, all of that. So let me show y'all what a 13x4 is really giving. So listen, lift it up. Lift it up. Slide your comb. It is really glueless. It's glueless. It's a 13x4 glueless wig. Ooh. When I say the game step up is real, the game step up is real. They ain't playing. They ain't coming to play with these wig companies. Luvme hair is on their necks. If you want to have like a little, bump in your bang, just take your flat iron, go backwards with your bang, the feather bang, that's what it is. If you want to have a little feather bang, get into it. Yeah, this wig is really like that. It's really like that, for real. I'm wearing her. This gonna be my sexy date wig. Gonna get me some clothes on. It might be my Valentine's Day wig. Get me a little red dress. and some red lipstick. We in there. That is it for me. I will see